Okay na. Ready na, ready na, ready na. Okay. Hello guys. Welcome to the Limoncito Lemon Eating Challenge. Okay, so we have four sets of 4 teams here, 2 members each. We have first team is Rami and Jeremy. Second is Nam Nam and Johanna. And third is Dodoy and Robert. And our fourth one is Jessa and Anna. Okay? They're just gonna eat the lemon. In the Philippines, we call it limoncito. It's so sour. And are you guys ready? Energy! Are you guys ready? 3, 2, 1. One at a time. One at a time. Reverse, reverse. Reverse, reverse, reverse. Reverse. First, second. Reverse, third. Go, go. Iba. Okay.
Third and fourth.
Ready? So welcome to the Tinola Drinking Challenge. So we have pairs of 4 contestants. And our first contestant is Eloy, right there. Woo! Energy, energy. Our second contestant is Ruth and Namna. Our third contestant is Jessa and Jessa. Energy, energy. Contestant is Ruwami and Jeremy. All they need to do is to drink tinola soup. To finish everything, this is a fish tinola soup drinking challenge. Okay? Are you guys ready? Guys ready? In 3, 2, 1, go! Yes, it's a second. No, the first. Second, third, fourth. Okay.